ethnic dance that comes from the Gypsy community in Spain and is traditionally danced at Gypsy celebrations. It is not to be confused with the Argentine tango, which happens in Argentina and is a partner dance. The Gypsy Tangos is older than the Argentine tangos and is usually performed in a circle where everybody is clapping and singing, and somebody comes in the center and that's a quite brief dance. Sometimes two people dance together quite often. Two people dance it together. One person enters, dances, and exits back into the circle for another person to come in. And like this becomes like a wheel. And sometimes this dancing and singing takes all night. Sometimes a whole weekend, depending on what the reason is, whether it's a gypsy wedding, a gypsy pilgrimage, all kinds of reasons and celebrations. The tangos are used, and whenever I dance it, it just brings me such a joy. It's like this feeling of celebrating the joy of being alive. And my hope is that as you are dancing it, you can find that feeling within yourself and you can express it in your dance. It's obviously sensual and playful, so I really encourage you to play with it. The traditional way to dance it is to know the vocabulary and then express your soul with this vocabulary. You will find that in this DVD I have given you a quite extensive vocabulary, dance vocabulary, for you to express your own dancing intelligence natural in your body that will be awakened as you learn the steps. So practice and repetition will be essential to you, but also feel free to feel the music and just dance in your own way. Another way that you can approach this Gypsy Tangos dance is by learning the choreography and following the steps with the music. That's another good approach to it. Still, I hope that at some point you will improvise and just feel free in your own expression. So in the second part of the DVD, we're going to be learning La Farruca, the baile por farrucas. And in this section, you will see it's a very powerful dance. A lot of footwork, very invigorating. One thing I love about the Farruca is precisely that after I dance it, I feel I've got a good workout for the day. So that's really, for me, a great advantage, and I hope it will benefit you in the same way, that you can be learning a dance and at the same time getting a good workout. The Farruca began in the 20th century and was also created by gypsy singers and dancers, great masters. Originally was a male dance, and over time women have been also dancing it, quite often dressed as a man and sometimes dressed in a costume that we call Amazon dance costume. So in the first part of the DVD, we're gonna dance the Gypsy Tangos. As you will see, I'm dancing the Gypsy Tangos barefoot. It's my personal choice. There have been dancers who have been dancing the tangos and the rumba barefoot, and other dancers prefer to dance it with the flamenco shoes. The Gypsy Tangos are older than the invention of the flamenco shoes. So it's your personal choice whether you want to wear your shoes or not. In my case, I really feel freer dancing bare feet and enjoy it any way you dance it. For the Farruca though, that's part of modern flamenco that was created in the beginning of the 20th century during the modernist era. And Farruca is a strong footwork dance, so it's totally recommended to dance it with flamenco shoes or with flamenco boots, like the one the men dance it with. Now for practice, it's also good to dance the Farruca with sneakers. I do it quite often. Like if I don't want to bother my neighbors, I just wear my sneakers, because you need something that holds your feet. So sneakers are very good for dancing your Farruca. And if you happen to have flamenco shoes, fantastic. So out of the two dances we're gonna be seeing today, I find them both fascinating. The Farruca, because it's energizing and empowering and has this masculine flavor to it, and the Gypsy Tangos because It's playful and sensual, and it allows me to improvise and feel free. And my desire is that you get great benefit out of dancing these dances over and over again, and that you enjoy it as much as I do, or even more.